Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chandan Prasad and you are watching The Absolute Rider. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss a new update. So welcome to the day 1 of Sakleshpura vlog. So our main destination in this trip was the GRK Nature Resort, which we are gonna stay for 2 days, and this is the day 1 vlog. And before going to the resort, we thought of going and visiting the place called as MANZRABAD Fort. It's a very historical place in Karnataka and very famous place for Saklespura, which is on the way. So we decided to go here because most of my friends had not seen this place. So I took them there, and after this we are going to the GRK Nature Resort. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end, guys. Soy! Oh. ಏಟ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಇದು ಸರಿಗೆ. ನಾನು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಎದುರಿಸಬಾರ್ದು, ಪಕ್ಕ ನಾನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಬ್ರು ಬರೋದಾ? ನಡಿಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
like I was before. Oh, I will find a way back from the rain and the storm, and I will form a picture of my future painted in gold. And time ain't got no reason when you're lost in dollars. Show me the light to lead the way. I need some time to be okay.
ನಮಗೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ, ರೆಡಿ ಇರ್ರಿ.